What's up guys, Technoba here. I'm posting on my second channel instead of my main channel, linked on screen and down below, just to get this video out there. It's not the kind of content that fits in there. Anyways, if you've played the new Ghost Recon Breakpoint, then you're familiar with the Erewhon safe zone that's right in the center of the map. Once you enter it, your guns are put away, and you can't do anything other than walk around and interact with NPCs. However, I found a glitch that I'll shortly be showcasing where you can pull out your guns and do basically anything you can anywhere in the world inside of Erewhon, a safe zone. All you need at a minimum is just yourself and a single friend. You can have more, it doesn't really matter. So all you need to do is be inside of Erewhon and have another friend either inside or outside, and then start exiting Erewhon. You need to have a cutscene available inside of it, which you can get basically all the time through the campaign. All you need to do is get your friend to start a cutscene right as you press the exit button. So you're busy climbing through the curtain, boom, the cutscene starts and you're teleported back inside of Erewhon. That'll cause you to get TP'd back in without triggering the trigger to put your guns away. As soon as you head to the exit, your guns will get put away and you'll go back to the safe zone status. So that's how to do it, and here's footage of it actually happening. Nobody cares.
I got it to bug, so it's like, this is Jessica, and I skipped it. And the other guy kept talking. He's like, CEO of blah blah, and so they were talking over each other.
Shows us the video cam footage, I think. No. He meets his friend Fox and. Dude, I can shoot inside of Erewhon. Dude, it's glitched.
What?
It's glitched.
What?
I can hear you.
Holy, throw a grenade, bro.
Wait. Wesley, come here. Go to where all the people are and blow them up.
Where?
Yeah.
Dude, I can shoot an Erewhon. What
Do
the?
it on the people at the shop. Do it on the people there. Those
Yeah,
guys,
blow
I
them
don't
up.
think you'll kill.
Please nade them. Please
These
nade
people
them.
up here.
Nate,
This
this
chick.
guy. Yeah.
None. All
Wait, but not try to hurt the player. Hurt the players.
this fat dog oaks.
Oh
like,
yes,
what?
yes, I'm painting her red, bro. Can't die.
Oh, dude, the
Pog.
whole shop's.
Dude, I can climb inside. Oh, pog. Hello, guys.
Wait,
what you want
what?
to buy? Hello.
What is this bug? Wait,
I
try
can
and
also
rocket.
see the shop.
Wizzy, I know you can kill friendlies with the rockets. Try it.
Can I?
Come outside and
Yellow.
Nope.
try just a grenade then.
I did.
Or gas, maybe. Gas is also good.
Ooh.
Stinky.
Oopie.
Stinky.
Oh, I can't. Wait, can you die though?
No.
Okay, it's gone.
Let me
mate.
shoot a rocket launcher straight down, bro.
Can you at least talk to anything?
Yes, I can interact. No.
Oh,
Oh,
Wesley!
what?
I killed us all. Pog.
Wesley, help! Wait,
Oh,
but I
no.
can't respawn now.
I can still shoot. Perfect. I'm gonna come pick you up.
Okay,
Maybe
yeah,
you
try
guys can
me,
shoot now as well, dude.
Sick bugs.
By killing us.
Hello. I like how in the beginning of the story it's like, whatever you do, don't shoot inside of Erewhon.
you.
Wesley. Okay, I can't shoot.
Yeah,
I'm
I still
not
can though. Pog. I don't know, what else can I do? Items? Flashbang.
Oh, flash, shall flash people. Flash this person here.
Oh, yes, that's a big circle. Oh, yes, us.
Ah! Okay, can we do the mission now?
Yeah, I can't kill anyone. They're all god mode. Let me buy some more
Good.
ammo. Just kidding. I'm gonna climb inside and then buy some more ammo. Hello, shop.
Look around.
I know what exactly caused it. When you talked to the guy outside of the cave, I walked in, and as I was walking out, you guys started the cutscene which teleported me in.
Oh,
Big brain.
yes, yeah. Thick brain.
Oh, just
big
put it away
brain.
now that I'm here. So there's a trigger at the front here that makes you put your gun away. Interesting.
The intentions on reminiscence, it's essential. On how I had dreams of a youth, now monumental. It's coming true. Things I said have come to pass. That MCs would get busy, but still won't get no cash. Some talents get the stash with skills are half as yours. It's not about styles, it's what the crowd you has applauds. This unified circle, slip up and hurt